Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to schedule cleaning on your ECOVACS X1 Turbo. To do it, slide this panel up, then scroll down until you see scheduled clean, then you can click on add, then set the start time. You can also enable repetition, so it will be repeated on the certain days of the week, for example Tuesday, Wednesdays and Fridays. And you can change the cleaning mode to auto or room. So I'm gonna set it to auto, then click on save. You can add you can also add another schedule. So let's add a schedule for example 8:35 a.m. and repeat it only on Mondays. Then click on save. You can also disable these schedules or enable them back again. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.